Hey guys, my name is Jelly. I'm gonna be trying this whole YouTube video thing out. I guess it's my first video, intro video. Kind of talk to you about myself. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing channel, I guess you could say. Just things that I've bought in. That's not even a word. That I bought it either online or I got at the store. I wanted to share it with you guys. And these are just plain Jane items. This is nothing like the latest iPhone or stuff like that. So I figured that I don't really see much channels like that out there, so I guess I just try it out. That's it, a little about myself. I'm 28, gonna be 29 in about 2 months. Halloween's coming around the corner, which is my favorite holiday, so we'll be getting a lot of videos soon of Halloween items. I have 2 dogs and a cat. Super animal loving person. I mean, I see an animal, I magically immediately fall in love with it. So that's it, and hope you guys like the next couple of videos, and we'll go from there. Bye.